Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on, I believe this is, let me double check. I think it's a 2012, but let me check. 2011 Ford Fusion. Had a noise up front and I got everything jacked up. Took the tire off. Well, I seen it before I took the tire off. But we're missing the top caliper bolt here, and bottom caliper bolt here is loose. This one down here, this one here is loose. And then this top one here is missing. I think I have one with me. If not, I'll run to the house and grab one of the ones from the house. I have a whole bunch of spares, so I won't make the customer go buy a whole new kit. But I am going to take everything apart because it looks like the caliper itself has been rubbing on the inside of the tire or inside of the rim. But I am going to take everything off, clean it up, relubricate everything. She should be all good. Just put a new bolt on there. And then I'm going to double check the other side. I don't know who last worked on this. If somebody did the brakes on it, just forgot to tighten everything, or if it wasn't properly torqued. I don't know what the actual issue was that caused this. Bolt's no longer here. Hopefully the threads are good. Otherwise, we will need a caliper, or at least a caliper bracket. But you know how that goes, trying to find just a bracket or in short notice. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I was working on. So I'm going to see if I have a caliper bolt that'll fit in there, and then we'll check the other side and go from there. But yeah, the rotors look pretty nasty. But we won't worry about that right now. We just need to get her back on the road until future. We'll knock out some actual maintenance repairs on it. But right now she's broke down and ain't going nowhere, so we need to get her back on the road. All right, I'm getting everything started. Hopefully I got a caliper bracket or a caliper bracket bolt that'll fit it. She's all fixed up. I ended up having a caliper bracket bolt that fits. So I got that side all together. The driver's side was nice and tight, so we didn't have to worry about that. I am going to remove the hubcap on it. They only had two in the front. There, two in the rear were gone. So I'm going to remove that one so they all look the same. And then I went ahead and recommended front pads and rotors on it. And then we'll get new caliper slide pin bolts for it. The caliper will be fine. Yes, it's a little damaged, but it'll be fine there. It just got some metal had rubbed off from hitting the rim. But bracket and caliper itself is still functional. So we'll leave that. We'll put some new caliper pins on it, both front. And then we'll get new caliper bracket bolts for it, both front. And then we'll swap out the front brake pads and rotors on it. And I'll probably end up doing rear brake pads on it. The rear rotors look decent, so we won't worry about those. Yeah, they're not stripped, so they'll come out pretty easy if they're not seized. Other than that, yep, I'm going to go ahead and get this tire back on, then I'll get that hubcap off over there, drop her down, and she'll be all set to go. When I did shake her down, she did have a little play in the tie rods. A scale of 1 to 10 is probably like a 2, so we won't worry about that right now. I'll let the customer know, and then if it gets excessive, we'll go in and replace everything. But yeah, for now, we'll just go ahead and get her back on the road. And like I said, we'll take the hubcaps off. You see that one's damaged there, and then the two in the back are gone. So we'll get rid of those, put everything back together, and she'll be all set to go. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.